Alright guys, just a little update on my '07 Cobalt project. As you can see, we got the passenger side door on. It's primed. I didn't know that it didn't have the trim on this car, but it did on the other car. I took the door off, that's why it's got that line right there. I gotta sand that back off, but just want to give y'all a little update on it. Walk around. Next thing I'm gonna do is start working on that bumper. Get all that crap on that bumper off. Here's the driver's side. This side's all done. Show you the inside of the doors. I painted the inside of the doors black. So, little match. Like I said, I still got that dent right there. Then I gotta get that. Yeah, get all that rocker panel down there straight up underneath the door. But that's where we're at with it. Making progress. I'll show you the inside of this door. You see, that one's all painted black too, all the way around. All inside the door jamb and everything. I sanded it and painted the doors, primed them. I don't like this primer I use on this door. I don't think it turned out as good. I'll probably re-sand it when I do the car and put a better primer on it. Here's my old doors that I took off. You see that one's scuffed up pretty bad. I didn't even want to try to straighten that out. And that one right there, the bottom of my door is really tore up. So, alright, just wanted to give y'all a little update on the Cobalt. Today is October 2nd. 2018. Alright, y'all be good.